Good morning. In my first video to you, I talked about Apple and how we sold our Apple investment back in 2017 after being shareholders for many years. Since then, the shares in Apple rose over $200 a share, and some people have pointed out to me that we missed a big gain in Apple stock. But the truth is, our strategy has never been to time market tops and bottoms, and we don't believe anyone can do that accurately. How many people do you know that honestly were able to sell Apple right at the top, right before its big decline in October of 2018? Trying to buy stocks just based on price is not investing in our view. If you're one of those investors, imagine how that works. You buy a stock, and then what happens if it keeps going down? Do you buy more? Do you wait? Do you panic and cut your losses because you don't know why it's going down? And think of the flip side. If you're one of those investors that sells because you think the stock reached some kind of temporary plateau, what do you do if it keeps going up? Do you sit back and look at it going up 10, 20, 30%? How do you feel? Do you regret having sold it? Do you panic and buy it up again? Do you chase it? And what happens if you buy it after missing that rally and then it falls right back down? That's a way to the poorhouse. This is no way to invest or manage your money. You need a clear and well-defined process to succeed in investing. In fact, Fidelity, the big mutual fund company in the United States, did a big study several years ago looking at all their investment accounts to identify the best performers. And they found a very clear pattern. Investors who traded the most performed the worst, and those that traded the least did the best. In fact, the best performing accounts belonged to people who were deceased. They never traded at all. At LRT, we are fundamental equity investors. So we are looking at the fundamentals of underlying companies. And our investment strategy focuses on three characteristics. We're looking for a moat, some kind of sustainable competitive advantage. We're looking for the company's ability to grow and reinvest. And we're looking for a management team that understands how to use capital allocation to benefit current shareholders. And when we find one of those companies trading at a very attractive valuation, we step in and buy. And if something changes about one of those three characteristics of the company, we sell. We sell irrespective of the current stock price. And most importantly, our process allows us the discipline to hold our investments while all three characteristics are present. And this allows us to benefit from the growth and compounding value of the companies we invest in. Now, several weeks ago, the US yield curve has finally inverted, and many people are predicting a recession or some kind of massive economic slowdown. And with a recession, we're likely to experience some kind of bear market. So these are times of increased risk, uncertainty, and most likely heightened volatility. How do you feel investors will fare, those investors that only look at price and try to buy and sell based on chart patterns or where the stock price has gone? I believe those investors will do very poorly in the months and weeks ahead. Now, on the other hand, this is also going to be a period of incredible opportunity because there will be great companies selling at attractive valuations. If you will, the baby will be thrown out with the bathwater. So investors who adapt an active approach, a fundamental discerning approach that studies the underlying business dynamics of companies, will be well rewarded in the months ahead. At LRT, we are fundamental equity investors, and our investment process allows us to develop the fundamental conviction that's necessary to buy stocks when they are declining and everyone is selling them. And I believe the coming volatility in the marketplace is a good opportunity for our investment partnership. So we are not afraid of the possibility of increased risk and increased volatility in the marketplace. And in fact, I see it as a great opportunity to generate additional performance for our investment partnership. So with that, thank you for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you.